inertial frame of reference. Now, how to solve the same problem with respect to non-inertial frame of reference? So, this is a smooth pulley. This moves up. Through that, two bodies are suspended. First body mass m1, second body mass m2. If m2 is greater than m1, now we consider this is a system. This system moves upwards with acceleration a0. In this system, because of its more mass, it moves down with respect to observer on pulley. Here I solve this problem with respect to observer on pulley. Here this system is non-inertial frame. We consider observer is in non-inertial frame. I solve this problem basing on non-inertial frame. So this is a system. Two bodies of masses m1 and m2 are suspended by means of a pulley, are suspended by means of a string through a smooth pulley. This entire system moves up with acceleration a0. In this system, m2 moves down and m1 moves up with the same acceleration. Now, mention the direction of tensions. This is uniform massless string. So throughout the string, the tension is same at any point inside the string. So this body experiences gravitational forces m2g. This body also experiences gravitational forces m1g. Here, this is non-inertial frame. We know already, in non-inertial frame, every particle experiences some non-real force acted in a direction opposite to motion of the frame. Here frame moves up with acceleration a0. Then this body experiences pseudo force m1 a0. This body also experiences pseudo force m2 a0. So here this is a system. In this system, these are considered as two bodies. The two body here, this is non-inertial frame. In non-inertial frame, every body experiences some non-real force acted in a direction opposite to motion of the frame. Here frame moves upwards with acceleration a0. So m1 exerts pseudo force downwards, that is m1 a0. m2 also experience pseudo force, that is m2 a0. Draw free body diagrams of two bodies. Body m1 free body diagram. See, on that the forces are T, downward forces are m1g plus m1 a0. m1g plus m1 a0. This is real force. This is imaginary force for validating of Newton laws. This moves up with acceleration a. So, particle moves up with acceleration means these two are unbalanced forces. We know net force is equal to ma. Here mass of particle is m1 means m1a. Net force means this moves up means tension is more. T minus m1g, T minus m1g, T minus of something, minus m1g minus m1 a0 is equal to m1a. This upward force minus downward force. T minus of m1g plus m1 a0 means minus m1g minus m1 a0. This is equation 1. Similarly, draw the free body diagram of second body. So we consider this is a point mass, and that the two forces are acting is upward force T, downward force is gravitational force pseudo force m2g plus m2 a0. This body moves downwards with acceleration A. This body also moves down with acceleration means. So it experiences unbalanced forces. It moves down means this force is more. Net force means downward force minus upward force. So m2g plus m2a naught minus t is equal to m2a. This is equation 2. Here I write these two equations basing on non-inertial frame, observer on pulley. Here pulley, the system moves upwards with acceleration. So this system is considered as non-inertial frame. In case of non-inertial frame, every particle experiences some non-real force that directed opposite to motion of the frame. Basing on that, we get two equations. Solve these two equations. We get acceleration of two bodies with respect to pulley. The first equation is T minus m1g minus m1a naught is equal to m1a. That is first equation. The second equation is m2g plus m2a naught minus t is equal to m2a. m2g plus m2a naught minus t is equal to m2a. So solving these two, minus t plus 2 cancel. m2g minus m1g. m2 minus m1 into g. m2a naught minus m1a naught. m2 minus m1 of a naught is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. From this, I write a equal m2 minus m1 of g plus a naught by m1 plus m2. So similar way, the same problem is solved with respect to inertial frame, with respect to non-inertial frame. We get same answer. So it is very, very important. So I solve some other model. Suppose this is a lift box. It is suspended to a rigid support by means of smooth pulley, and a man standing in it. It is pulled down, the rope is pulled down for that the entire system moves up with acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Here mass of box is mass of box is 50 kg. Mass of man is 100 kg. See, this is a box. Its mass is 50 kg. In this, a man is standing on its floor, and this system is suspended by means of a string, massless and inelastic string, through a smooth pulley. The man pulls the string downwards. For entire system, moving up with acceleration is 5 meter per second square. For motion of entire system, upwards with acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Means, what is the force applied on the string? For motion of entire system, upwards with acceleration 5 meter per second square. What is the force applied on the string? We know this is a uniform string. throughout the string, the tension is same. Throughout the string, the tension is same. Here, he pulls the end point of the string by means of some force. That force is equal to tension developed in the string. So here our aim is finding the pulling force by man for system moves up with acceleration 5 meter per second square. See here man and box are contact each other. Man presses the box by means of some force. Every action is equal to opposite reaction. We know if two surfaces are come in contact, they press each other. Every action is equal to opposite reaction. The interaction between two bodies when they are in contact is called contact force. That is normal force. So I draw free body diagram of box and free body diagram of man. Free body diagram of system, free body diagram of box and free body diagram of man. We get two equations. Solve those two equations. We get tension developed in the string. Draw free body diagram of box. FBD of box. Now draw the free body diagram of man. Free body diagram of man. Suppose man, system moves up with acceleration means man also moves up with acceleration 5 meter per second square. Here I solve the problem with respect to ground frame. With respect to ground frame దృష్ట్యా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను with respect to inertial frame. So here system moves up with acceleration 5 meter per second square means man also moves up, box also moves up with the same acceleration. So I try to draw free body diagram of man. Here man is considered as a point mass. With respect to ground, man moves up with acceleration 5 meter per second square. What are the forces are acting on man? On man, string force, tension T. He presses the box down means every action is equal to opposite reaction. Man also experience reaction force is N. Man also experience the reaction force is N. So the gravitational force acting on man is mg, that equal mass of man, mg means capital MG, mass of man is 100, that equal 100 g means 1000 Newton. I write the equation is here man moves upward means it is unbalanced force. Man experience unbalanced force. Upward force is more because man moves up. So the equation is T plus N minus 1000 is equal to MA. Means net force equal mass into acceleration. Net force means upward force minus downward force. Upward forces are T plus N minus downward force is 1000 is equal to box mass is 100, man mass is 100, acceleration A, that equal 500. From that T plus N is equal to 1500. This is equation 1. We get force equation of man. Now I try to write equation of free body diagram of man, free body diagram of box. So I consider box is considered as a point mass. On that box, upward force is acting is T, downward force is, so man presses the box down means the box experience downward force is N, and also the basic general force is gravitational force, that is mg, 500 Newton. So here man mass 100 kg, he experienced gravitational force is mg, 1000 Newton, means mg. Here box also with respect to inertial frame, box also moves up with acceleration is 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. So here the system moves up means it experiences unbalanced force. That unbalanced force, right? Force equation, upward force more means T minus N minus 500. T minus of this, minus N minus 500 is equal to, means F net equal to MA. F net equal to MA. Net force means T minus N minus 500. This minus this is equal to MA. Mass of the man is, mass of the box is 50 kg. 50 into acceleration is 5. That equal 250. Therefore, T minus N equal 750. This is equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 2, we get tension developed in the string. Solving equations 1 and 2, we get tension developed in the string. The first equation is T plus N is equal to 1500. Second equation is T minus N equal 750. So plus N minus N cancel. 2T equal 2250 Newton. From this, the tension developed in the string is 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 5s. 1125 Newtons. This is the tension developed in the string. So in this way, we solve tension problems either by inertial frame or with respect to non-inertial frame. So thank you.